We've often mentioned the possessive words mo, do, my, your, his and her, and their plurals ar for our, ur for your, and an for their. And mo, do and my, your and his all unite the next word. They also appear slightly disguised in two other important constructions. First we have nam nat, as in hami nam chochgada, I'm a chef, or evilu nat teacher, are you a teacher? And secondly, gam gat ga, as in hami gam feichgin, I'm seeing them, or chanilmi gat chloinchin, I'm not hearing you.